Today we're going to talk about must-have media kits. Okay, you have a business. Either you've just opened or you've been open for a while. How often do you get people coming in trying to sell you advertising? How do you manage this? You've only got so much money in your budget and you hope that money is going to be working hard for you. There's a very simple answer. Ask for a media kit. What's a media kit? This is how a publication, whether it's digital or traditional, is going to tell you everything you need to know about them. Who's their target audience? How many people are reading or viewing it? How frequently are they published? What are some of the content? They may even have an editorial calendar. What different types of ads can you run, and how much do those cost? How frequently are they available? All of these components are really important, but in particular, it's who is viewing or reading. You want to make sure that who they're reaching are the same people you want to reach. You're going to spend your money where you hope to get the biggest bang for the buck. Now, when you get some high school person coming asking you to do a placemat ad or to sponsor an event, they're not going to have a media kit. These are feel-good promotions and ads you do. But when you're dealing with truly professional advertising media, they're going to have a media kit. Take the time to ask. It'll save you from wasting money and make you have much more powerful advertising reach. That's today's Zipline Minute. To learn more about profit-boosting strategies and tactics, visit my website at ziplinetosuccess.com.